Today my maid of honor is going to be joining me, but she doesn't know that she's a maid of honor yet. So my mom and I have just been compiling her basket, and classic Cassie style, everything is last minute. Not that I planned it last minute, it's just that I'm getting some delays in my delivery, so but I didn't want to postpone this announcement any longer, so I just wanted to put a basket together of what I have, and I will give the second half of the gift later. So far, this is what we have in our basket. Here's my mom. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
So here's the basket. So it's a bottle of wine. It's her favorite wine with a label that says, "Will you be my maid of honor?" And the shoe and the purse that I would like her to wear for my wedding. And then we just filled the bag with some petals, and then there's also a little heart in the back, which you can't really see, but I can pull it out. So we're also going to take a video once she receives the gift, and I'm hoping she's going to love it. I think she will. So Melissa, this is for you.